This has been a source of frustration for a few weeks now, and who knows, maybe it'll be rectified by this afternoon, or tomorrow, or next week, maybe even never. But in its current form, the Osmo 360 is an unfinished product, particularly for Windows computers and users who edit in Adobe Premiere. And let me set the stage here. When it comes to 360 cameras, the workflow is probably more dependent on the software than it is the hardware. And yeah, hardware can control the quality and ease of capture initially, but what comes after is entirely software. You have to deal with two cameras smashed into one body, which produces two circular ultra-wide video streams that then need to be stitched together and manipulated in another app where you can reframe the video so it doesn't look like a crazy, stretched out, all-encompassing scene. You either use that company's studio app, their mobile app, or a plugin for your favorite video editing app like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, etc. As it stands, the Osmo 360 is little more than a paperweight to me. I'm an Adobe Creative Cloud user on Windows, which means that I use Premiere Pro to edit all of my videos. I have all of my assets ready to go for Premiere and have no intention of using any other apps to produce my content. And that's where I run into a nice solid brick wall. DJI released the Osmo 360 long before the infrastructure existed to 100% support the video clips that the camera was capable of producing. You can't do this with a 360 camera. You just can't. Mac users, supposedly you have no issues. Apparently you are the favorite child. But Windows? DJI reps told me that they're still going through testing for the plugin due to the extreme variety in CPUs and GPUs across all the available hardware. That was 2 weeks ago. The camera itself was announced on July 31st, and it's been nearly 2 months since then, at the time of this video being posted. A whole ecosystem has been left out. So why don't I just use DJI Studio to reframe and export clips, then edit it all in Premiere? Because I'd be losing out on quality on the initial export. Then you're committed to whatever reframe edits you made before importing into Premiere. It's just not ideal for me. Patience and time seem to be the only cure. I've set the camera down for now, and probably won't use it until the plugin is available. It's a bummer for me because I had 4 videos in the works which are all now on hold. I was so excited about the release of a DJI 360 camera that I started using it for everything. It's a great little camera that fits really nicely into my existing DJI ecosystem. Plus, the benefit of shooting on a camera that captures everything around you is hard to ignore. So just know that I have a video on my trip to the Philippines, a review on the Mic 3, a comparison video between all DJI micro cameras, and a review of the Osmo 360 itself, all in the pipeline. There's also one other issue I have with the camera, and that's not even DJI's fault. The import issues and restrictions and potential DJI drone ban in the US becomes so problematic that it makes me speculate whether there will be as extensive an accessory ecosystem for the Osmo 360 as there is for, say, the X5. If the US customers can't even get their hands on certain cameras, why would a company produce accessories for it? We can discuss that further in the full review since a bit more time will have passed. But until then, let's hope we can at least get the Windows plugin soon. By the way, the Osmo 360 is currently very close to non-tariffed prices right now on Amazon US. So if you're looking to get a 360 camera, here's your chance to save some money. Bonita.